Diagnose car problems like a pro. To diagnose car problems like a pro, start by observing warning signs like dashboard lights, unusual noises, or performance changes. Then, use tools like an OBD2 scanner to read error codes, check fluid levels, and inspect components like belts and hoses. Finally, consult service manuals and consider professional help when needed. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Pay attention to warning signs. Dashboard lights. The check engine light, low oil pressure light, or others can indicate potential issues. Unusual noises. Listen for grinding, squealing, or clunking sounds, which can point to problems with brakes, suspension, or other components. Performance changes. Notice any decrease in acceleration, fuel efficiency, or difficulty starting the engine. Gather your tools. OBD2 scanner. This tool plugs into your car's diagnostic port and reads error codes from the engine control unit, ECU. Multimeter. A multimeter is essential for checking electrical circuits and components like the battery, alternator, and starter. 12 volts test light. A simple but useful tool for checking the presence of power in a circuit. Service manual. Having a service manual for your specific vehicle can be invaluable for understanding component locations and troubleshooting procedures. Troubleshooting steps. Start with the obvious, check fluid levels, oil, coolant, brake fluid, etc., and inspect belts and hoses for wear or damage. Use the OBD2 scanner. Read the error codes and research there, meaning using online resources or the service manual. Test electrical components. Use the multimeter and 12 volts test light to check for voltage and continuity in the electrical system. Visual inspection. Carefully examine components for signs of wear, damage, or leaks. Consult resources. If you're unsure about the problem, consult online forums, repair websites, or a professional mechanic. Seek professional help when needed. If you're dealing with a complex issue or are uncomfortable working on your car, don't hesitate to seek help from a qualified mechanic. Clearing error codes without understanding the root cause can be detrimental, so it's best to let a professional diagnose and repair the problem.